Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Audi A6 radio. Start by turning ignition to accessory, power on the radio, and note any error codes displayed. Press and hold the power and menu buttons together for about 10 seconds until the display reboots and test reception. If prompted, enter the anti-theft code or consult your owner's manual for radio code retrieval options and backup battery precautions. Begin by checking fuses and battery connections to rule out power issues. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes to reset vehicle electronics if needed. Reconnect and verify radio functionality, then perform a soft reset via the system menu settings or by holding power and menu together for 10 seconds as needed to restore normal operation. Also update infotainment firmware through dealer or approved tools and test presets and Bluetooth pairing afterwards. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling fresh after trips into dusty garages or greasy workshops, and it pairs humorously with radio resets. I added a link in the description for that product and other deals, so check the description for details and savings. Now let's get back to the video, everyone. Use the system's factory reset option in settings if available as a first step to erase user data. For persistent faults, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the radio harness or visiting a qualified technician. After reset, re-enter radio codes, repair phones, and check that navigation, steering wheel controls, and amplifier settings function correctly. Consider saving custom equalizer and station lists before resetting to avoid losing personalized settings and shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.